All right, so the materials we're going to be needing for this lab is a wiring schematic and B, a multimeter.
All right, let's move on. All right, today we're working on an 04 Monte Carlo. Customer complained of a burnt out high beam. Took it into the shop. They supposedly replaced the bulb. Still burnt out though. So we're just taking a look at it today. Plugging in the multimeter, double checking it is the bulb's the problem. They do come out of the package bad sometimes, but 9 times out of 10, if it's still burnt out, it's actually a problem in the system itself. So we'll be taking a look at that today.
Instead of just throwing a new bulb at it, we're going to take the time to actually look at the wiring schematic and see if we actually have a problem in our circuit rather than just throwing new parts at it and not fixing the problem.
Absolutely, saving the customer money. It's always good in my books.
So first things off, you want to test your battery voltage so you have a reference point for testing available voltage at the terminal where the light bulb is at. So first things off, we're going to touch our negative lead to the negative terminal of the battery and our positive terminal to the positive of the battery. And we're getting about 12.4. And if you have anything lower, you should probably put the battery on the charger. So we're going to make note of this 12.4. And down here where our terminal's at, we should have something about similar. So one thing you want to make sure is that you have the circuit on that you are testing. So for our case, we have the high beams on because we're testing the high beam circuit. Cut over to Jacoby over here.
So on the schematic that we have pulled up, the dark blue wire we have here is actually the power to the high beam, and the pink one, 2 wires over, is the ground for it. So we're just going to go ahead and stick our red lead right in the terminal for dark blue, and our ground right in the terminal for pink. We take a look at our multimeter there, and it says we are running just under 11 volts, which could indicate a number of things that a voltage drop test would actually highlight for us and point us down more to what the actual problem is. But it definitely looks like we should have voltage for the bulb to light, so we're going to go ahead and assume that it is in fact the bulb.